You're right, lads, so today we'll be cleaning out the engine breather hoses. Corsa Ds have a bit of an issue basically from short journeys and just general driving around where the engine doesn't warm up. Moisture generates in the valve cover and it mixes with the oil and ends up going in the hoses, which then goes into the intake. So basically we're going to clean out these hoses and then fit an oil O-ring kit because oil's sort of seeping out of my oil cap. So yeah, let's get to it. So here's the actual GM part. I'm just comparing it and we are exactly the same. Little cock ring. As you can see, there's a lot of oil what's actually leaked out from the O-ring, so it's a good job we actually did this. So we need to remove this hose. So we come here, fill it up, unplug it from there. Come on the other side now. So as you can see inside, there's actually this gunky sort of creamy mix, commonly known as mayonnaise, but it really isn't. It's water and oil mixing, and it makes a really grim smelling sort of substance. So now we're going to clean it out. Mine isn't particularly bad because I cleaned it about 2 weeks ago. I'm a bit OCD like that, and plus I wanted to do the video. So they're in the sink. We've got fairy liquid, so that's what you want to do. And leave it for 5 minutes. So I've left it to soak. Now you want a bit of hot water. And for the smaller one I'm going to use this Mr. Muscle oven cleaner. It's actually fairly decent for removing the grime, so you want to spray it in and it removes it. I just wanted to say thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it was useful in some ways, and I just wanted to say thank you for all the feedback I've received recently and the new subscribers and everything. It really does mean a lot and I do appreciate it. And I was just wondering if you had any sort of suggestions for videos, because I can sort you out with them as long as it's to do with a course or a guest, or I can still give advice in the comments section. So I just wanted to say, see you later.